Welcome back out here in the garage again. Where else will we be? I want to give a shout out to Dominic and his brothers in 2-8 America's Battalion. See, I'm here representing. So thank you guys for everything you do. I've been undecided on the Coolant Overflow Reservoir. So been looking around to see about replacements, what would fit with the Ford Performance oil separator. I just haven't been happy with what I found out there. So what I'm going to do is just cover it with a plastic cover. The shape of it doesn't bother me any. It's small, so it's not like an eyesore that way of it being big and bulky and just looking out of place. So I don't mind on the shape of it. Some call it a grenade, but what I've purchased is the Coolant Reservoir tank cover, and this is from California Pony Cars. So just something simple to put on. It's not bulky, to where it's an eyesore. I know the Ford Performance oil separator is going to fit, so I'm just going to go with this. So we're just going to do a quick installation on it. It's not anything on how to do it. It's just putting it on and going from there, getting ready for these car shows. So let's do it. So I think all I'm going to need is a set of needle nose pliers. I'll take two different sets. I'll take this one and this one, and we'll see what we can do. Get this thing installed. All right, so just have this to the side. I'm gonna have some paper towels just in case some coolant spills. I haven't started it up today, so that shouldn't be a problem. And it came with some new black hardware to replace the factory that's here. This thing should just slip right on there. Just got to get it to the right spot that it kind of slips through the front and let it flex enough. There, I think we got it now. Something like that. And then get this. There we go. Takes a little force to get it down in there, but it'll go. And just set it back down in place. And replace the silver fasteners with the black. Put the cap on. Tighten her down. She looks good. Connect the hoses back up. Home. Put the clips in place. Release the clips. There we go. That's it. That'll be it. Thinks it looks pretty good. So it matches the rest of the black plastic, but it just takes that eyesore away from the front being white right there in the front. So I think it looks good. And it doesn't take any room away from the Ford Performance oil separator behind it. And just a nice little touch. I think it was like $65. So yeah, think about paying $65 for a piece of plastic, but there's not a whole lot of other options out there. So I went with this. The next thing will be getting that covered up somehow. We'll figure that one out. I was going to get the cover that matches this, the Shelby, but they are out of stock already. So I ordered that kind of quick when I got the email on it, and was able to get that in, but I hesitated on the brake cover. So that's what I get. They're all sold out. So that's it. So just a little bit of cleaning up. She's starting to look pretty good. Got the coolant tank cover, Ford Performance oil separator, passenger side. Got the Shelby fuse box cover. Got the Shelby coil covers that turned out pretty good. That'll be next. And I have something coming for here. So that should be a couple weeks to get that taken care of. She's coming along. Gonna have some fun this car season. Got a few other things on order to get it taken care of. So there'll be more engine enhancements coming. But just excited for the car season to start back up. And one thing, what's up with this? Can't find these FL 2087s anywhere. Got one left here in the drawer. Gonna have an oil change coming up soon that it's gonna take this. So I'm gonna be in need, like everyone else, of replacement. So I'm gonna see what I can do and finding a replacement. It's just crazy that we can't find them anywhere. Just don't understand. You can find everything else, but you can't find that 2087. So, but that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Thank everyone for the support. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Until next time, take care.